What are we going to munch on when we visit you this festive period? Please don't say chin chin because I am tired of chin chin. Plantain is in season now, and if you buy 5,000 naira worth of plantain, you will have so much chips that you even want to sell. But let me also warn you that you cannot make this now. I think you should wait 3 days to Christmas before you make it, because you may end up eating everything before your guests arrive. Let's get to work. So because I want chips that are slightly sweet, I chose plantains that are just starting to ripen but still firm enough for easy slicing. I then detached the plantains from the stem and washed every finger. To slice, all you need is this very simple kitchen tool, which does a very good job as long as the plantains are firm. It's Christmas, so we better make this special. I thought to spice up the chips like Kili Willy. I used onions, black pepper, African nutmeg, garlic, ginger, and some salt for taste. Next thing is to fry in vegetable oil, tossing at intervals till they're crispy. After this first batch, I knew that it would take forever to finish frying all the chips. Nobody thought me before I switched to a bigger pan, and 3 or 4 more batches after that, I was done. These chips are light, super crispy, slightly sweet, and I can feel the flavors from the spices mildly. Now I have 2 buckets of chips, 5 liters each, and I seriously doubt that they'll see Christmas Day.